Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. So today the video is about how to make money on YouTube. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and drop below and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any new video that I drop. So if you are new here, on this channel I put together tutorials about how to make money online and tips that you can use to make money online. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So the tips about how to make money on YouTube, I have 5 tips or 5 ways that you can use to make money online on YouTube. So the top 5 ways to make money on YouTube: number 1, YouTube ad revenue; number 2, crowdfunding; number 3, affiliate marketing; number 4, sell a product; and number 5, brand deals. So if you are watching this video, watch till the end because I have a bonus tip for you. So YouTube ad revenue, the most important component here is the views. The most important component here is the views. So there's CPM, to bracket, cost per 1,000 or cost per million, is an industrial term that represents the revenue per 1,000 views. For instance, if you have $2 CPM, so $2 CPM will give $2 CPM per 1,000 views. If you want to make $1,000 with $2 CPM, you have to get 250k views to be able to make $1,000. This is the least favorite way to make money on YouTube. So number 2 is crowdfunding. What is crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is practically the practice of funding a project or venture by sharing money from large number of people who contribute a relatively small amount, typically via internet. So with crowdfunding, this depends on the number of audience you have and their engagement. So if you have engagement with your audience, or if you have audience who engage with you, and you want to start something, or maybe like you want them to help you fund a course, they can help you do that. So you can search for the crowdfunding to learn more about it. But if you want, these are some few ideas that I got myself. So we have GoFundMe, Kickstarter, Indiegogo, Fundly, Just Giving, and Facebook. So you can do crowdfunding on Facebook too, only if you know how to do it. So we have GoFundMe, Kickstarter, Indiegogo, Fundly, Just Giving, and Facebook. So if you want to learn more about crowdfunding, you can search online to read more. There are tons of articles talking about crowdfunding. So number 2, actually this is number 3. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. This is the process of selling people's product, and you get paid when people make purchase through your link. Example of this affiliate marketing program is the Amazon Associate or Amazon Affiliate Marketing, Amazon Affiliate Program, digital product or online courses, etc. So with YouTube, you have to be making tutorial videos, making reviews video, how-to videos too, so that you show people how it's done and recommend them to click the link to make those purchases, so that when they make the purchase through your link, when they make the purchase through your link, then you will be given a commission. So people make tons of money. So many YouTubers make. I think this is the second favorite way to make money on YouTube. So that's number 3. Number 4 is sell your own product. So selling your own product. Selling your own product on YouTube. This is the best way to make money on YouTube. It doesn't even have to be a physical product yet. You can start with digital product like online course, or maybe a software, or maybe like anything digital. It doesn't have to be physical product. So maybe later when you know much about it, so that you can start to sell physical product. So you can start with physical product later. So I recommend you starting with a digital product, something like a course, or maybe anything that you can think of which can be digital that you can do. You know that your audience will be interested in those kind of products. So you create those kind of products, and it's easy. Some of these products are easy to create. You can create it depending on your product, or depending on your niche, type of niche that you are in, so that the audience will buy when you recommend it to them. So you will just put the link below in the description, so that you ask them to click below, so that when they click below, they are already your audience. Maybe you give them discounts to buy it. It doesn't really have to be physical product. So with physical product, you can start with a t-shirt and accessories, or maybe accessories. I know a channel on YouTube that started with as a video tutorial, and later developed their own product, and they are making money with it. So if you sell your own product, that's the best way you can make money on YouTube. So point number 5 is brand deals. So with brand deals is just about creating video for your company or a brand in exchange for your money or product. So this can be simple as just walking into a restaurant, or maybe a local shop that you know that will be interested in the kind of video, or you'll be interested in the kind of audience that you have. So you create a video for them on your channel in exchange for money, or maybe the product they offer. Something like a coffee shop, you can create a review video about, in the video explaining to people how nice their service is, and what they offer, what kind of coffee or what kind of product they offer at their restaurants. So in exchange, this company might give you the product. So that's an example of that. So, and then you can also search online for there are platforms that offer services, like they connect you with brand and company that might need your service. So with Famebit, you need about some of these platforms like Famebit, you need about 1,000 subscribers to